guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl KIE RASHON. So today I straightened my wig unit that I got from OMG Queen Hair. I got this wig a couple weeks ago. As you guys know, I did a tutorial on it and I had some trouble using that Got2Be gel. Today I used the freeze spray, so if you guys want to see how I got this look, go ahead and stay tuned. So I'm just going to tie, this is actually my bathrobe, tie. I'm going to tie that around. And this is the same wig that I did the review on from OMG Queen Hair. This is the kinky straight texture. Look at that. So this is its natural state. This is after washing and blow drying it. And then this is it with 1 to 2 passes of my flat iron. That's 1 pass. So pretty. Like, that just looks super sleek, y'all. Like, look at that. All right, let's take this tie off. And then I'm gonna put another scarf around my entire head to kind of leave this part flat. I'm gonna put a little bit of foundation, but a little bit of black powder in this parting space because it's a little too plucked. And again, that's not nothing on the hair company because they pre-plucked it, but I wanted to pluck it a little bit more and I ended up plucking too much, so that is on me, not them. And I do know if I had the flat iron or I'm just all over the place. I do know if I had the straightening comb, this would be a lot flatter so you can see my part a lot more. But I'm not too concerned about how it looks now. It looks good, in my opinion, still. Like, y'all, this is so pretty. Okay, so let me finish up my makeup and I will be right back. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. Y'all, this hair is amazing. I didn't think it was gonna come out this good when I straightened it, but yeah. Again, I only use the freeze spray to put this wig down. And I mean, if I pull on it, it's coming off. Or I didn't use like a crazy amount of layers, but for the purpose of this video and for going out of the house, this works just fine. So I will more than likely be using that technique again. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any suggestions, leave them down below in the comment section. If you have not already, go and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with what's going on with me. And I will see you guys very, very soon. Love ya. Bye.